Kid, I like your enthusiasm, but I think we have to work on narrowing down our list of suspects. Now I'm gonna go check in with some of my contacts uptown.
Yeah.
Kid's got a lot of evil in him, just begging to come out.
I will eat your heart.
There's our man.
Oh, Mr. Sleepyhead must have some major ties to the dark side.
What's with that guy?
It's gotta be one of his disciples or something.
My man's in them deep nocturnal shit.
Yeah. Yo, man, I think that devil guy just got ripped off.
Should we wake him up?
Yeah, you do it.
Rise and shine, devil guy. Some dude just stole your shit.
What? Where? Which way did he go?
That way.
Thanks. Give me back my flag!
Did you check out the dragon mouth?
Dark Prince is here.